Let's show you how to speed up or slow down sections of your video. Before you begin, please note that using the speed tool will remove any narration on the section to which you add it, so it's best to use the tool before you add or replace your narration. First, go to the point on the timeline where you want to start your speed change. Click the Tools button, select Speed, and then select Speed Up or Slow Down. Drag this bar over the part of the video that you want to speed up. Select how much faster or slower you want to run the video by using these arrows. Preview what the speed change will look like by clicking the Preview button. To save your changes, click OK or press Enter on your keyboard. A colored span is displayed on the timeline, indicating the placement of the speed change. If you want to change or remove it, just click that spot on the timeline. Click this icon and make your changes here. You can remove the speed change completely by clicking the trash icon. Capture, create, share with ScreenPal.